Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to unboxing the camera EZVIZ. Okay, EZVIZ Elife is the type of the battery camera. Okay, this is outside of the spec. Full HD camera. Battery up to 210 days. Okay, and built-in with the C memory 32 GB, okay, and night low motion, IP waterproof, IP56, and accurate human detection, detect and actual defense, okay, and two-way too, and Wi-Fi support 1.4 GHz Wi-Fi, okay. Okay, now we go to open here. Oh, okay. This is very easy sample. Inside, oh hell, inside the guy only. This is the camera. Open it. You don't charge battery, and you don't power on. How is that? Only one. Now you open it. Doesn't have a busy one. USB charger. Let me get it. Like this. This is only the one only when you take you can take one. Then you know this one. Okay, this is the mounting wall back. We just have one and you can use this. This one. Okay. Okay. Two choice for now. Okay. Okay. Everything is in the box. Okay. Now go to testing the video together. Okay, now we go to connect our camera to the Wi-Fi. Okay, scan QR code. Okay, finish. Now I want to adjust voice to this camera. Okay, so we go this notification and then I customize sound. After I press this button, hold to record.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. After finish, we save the name of the voice. Okay. I test voice 1, and after we back the app will be saved automatic. Okay, now we go to back the text voice. Yes, for like this. Okay, this custom voice. I mean that when the enable this and set this voice when have the action in front of the camera is the voice is alert. Okay, okay, successful set up. Okay, I'm back. Okay, this is okay. Alright, and after the voice that we set come out from the camera. Okay, you understand? Okay, thank you for watching my video.